Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrendTV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about the new Tata Tiago XT optional variant. As we all know, the Tata Tiago's mid-spec variant is known as the XT, which is available with standard features such as remote sensor locking with follow me headlamp function, all 4 power windows with electronically adjustable ORVMs, a touch-based monochrome 2-in audio system with 4 Harman speakers, steering-mounted audio controls, and reverse parking sensors. Now Tata Motors has also launched a new Tata Tiago XT optional variant which aims to provide more flexibility for customers that prefer aftermarket customizations. Similar to the recently launched Hyundai Creta SX Executive variant, which basically provides all the features available on the SX variant except for the touchscreen system, the Tata Tiago XT optional variant also does not offer a 2-in audio system. The Tata Tiago XT optional carries forward all the features seen on the XT, including the piano black treatment on the interior, all 4 power windows, and electronically adjustable ORVMs. Instead of the 2-in audio system, the center console panel will be left blank similar to the entry-level XE variant. That said, this XT optional variant will still provide 4 speakers built into the doors along with steering-mounted audio controls. Since the XT is the most demanded variant in the Tata Tiago range, Tata Motors has provided this option to reduce waiting period and to avoid the loss of bookings. Basically, due to the shortage of semiconductors, all manufacturers are facing the similar situation with delayed production and longer waiting periods. So with this XT optional variant, customers can select the infotainment system of their choice and connect it with the factory provided speakers and steering mounted audio controls without voiding the warranty. For customers who prefer genuine dealer level fitment, Tata Motors will also be providing 2 9-inch touchscreen systems specially developed for the Tata Tiago and the Tigor. The first one is a Blaupunkt 9-inch touchscreen system which gets Android operating system, also providing features such as 2GB inbuilt memory, 16GB flash storage, SD card based navigation, Wi-Fi and hotspot compatibility, 2 USB ports with easy provision for AV input, and compatibility with the steering-mounted audio controls and the factory-fit speakers. While a reverse parking camera is not part of a standard equipment with this touchscreen system, fitting a reverse parking camera is not going to be difficult. This touchscreen system will likely be available by the end of July at the expected price range of Rs 15 to 20,000, providing the latest connectivity features. The second option will be a cross-link 9-inch touchscreen system which can also be connected with the factory-provided steering-mounted audio controls and speakers, and also comes with standard reverse parking HD camera with LED lighting. This system along with the camera is priced at Rs 23,999 and will be immediately available at Tata dealerships. Talking about the basic price of this new XT optional variant of the Tata Tiago, while the regular XT variant with the audio system is priced at Rs 5.62 lakh ex-showroom, this new XT optional variant without the audio system is priced at Rs 5.47 lakh ex-showroom. And just like the regular XT variant, this XT optional variant will be available in 4 colors, namely the pearlescent white, Daytona grey, flame red, and the Arizona blue. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new XT optional variant of the Tata Tiago. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.